First step in making the shifter knob is to rough out of a bit of wax, rough out the rough shape, and we're going to add on a lot of pieces for like the eyes and stuff, so these will get stuck here, and then we'll mould it and blend it all in. You want to mark your centre line and roughly where the eyes will go. I'm using microcrystalline wax, and I've mixed in Vaseline and some pigment I got from a crayon factory, so it's black. Then with some knives and scrapers we slowly scrape and shape with hot knives to the shape we want. Yeah, constantly adding on bits, shaving off bits, adding on bits. Start hollowing out and shaping the eyes. I've cast a few of the immortan Joe skull gear shift knobs now. I'm doing the wax still. I've made a rubber mould and I've poured some, so I'm just casting. Pour them out into here and then go get them out, and I'll do some bronze ones soon. But this is the worst silicone mould I've ever made, and the jaws break off and the teeth don't flow, so I've had to build up the teeth, and it's really painstaking just with a knife and hot wax and dipping it into here and building them up and breaking off again. But we'll get there in the end, and then I'll cast them in bronze.